Alright, what's up Mario? This is Mario Accessories and Mufflers. At meron nga tayo ditong Kawasaki Versys 650 at mag-upgrade siya ng ating mga muffler. At syempre yung client natin ay from Binyan, Laguna. At habang ginagawa natin itong DTX Kimco 350 ay dumating itong Yamaha Kawasaki Versys 650. At abangan nyo yung magiging finish output nito, guys. Alright, tingnan nyo naman guys, adventure type. So syempre pipili siya ng mga muffler natin at nandoon yan guys. Ayan, sabangan nyo mamaya guys, finish output nitong bagong Versys 650. Tingnan nyo naman kung bakit bago yung kanyang panel guys, meron pang plastic. Tingnan nyo naman guys, so diba, sabangan nyo yan guys, from Binyan, Laguna, Kawasaki Versys 650. Let's go!
Moments later.
What's up guys? So this is Mario Accessories and Mufflers. At meron nga tayo dito ang Kawasaki Versys 650 at nag-upgrade siya ng ating muffler. Ang kinabit natin dito ay Real Carbon R77 Yoshimura brand via cut delete with resonator. So ayun guys yung materials na ginamit natin, di ba? Napakaganda guys, with resonator, 304 stainless, Real Carbon Yoshimura. So syempre guys, sound check tayo without silencer. Wow! Alright sir, isang rep. Isa pa sir. Isa pa sir. Alright. Alright guys, so narinig nyo naman yung tunog. Sobrang solid. So Real Carbon yan guys, Yoshimura R77. So yung client natin ay from Binyan, Laguna. So dumayo pa dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna para sa ating muffler. So Kawasaki Versys 650. Ito yung finish output, napaka-pogi. Alright, let's go! Ingat.